Okay, here we go. Here is Mr. Square. Now you're like, really? I already know those are right angles. Well, let me just prove it with a protractor then. So here we go. I'm going to put my 0 line here, and I'm going to get this angle right here. Get it? It's going to be right. It's going to be right, guys. It's going to be right. Oh, it is right. 90 is just so right. Okay, now I'm going to go up here and make sure that I got another 90 right angle. Is it right? Oh, yeah, it's right. You know it, and I know it. And now I go over here. I rotate it around to show you we are right again. And one last angle. And just in case you didn't believe it before, I will rotate that thing and boom, 90 degrees, 4 angles. That's when we say we've got a square, everyone.